Don't let this bird's looks distract you. The secondary bird has some serious kick. They look more like a stork, but they're more closely related to birds of prey like eagles and hawks. The secondary bird is like an eagle on stilts. And they can grow up to be 1.3 meters tall. They are incredibly light, just about 4 kilograms. Their hollow bones make it way easier to fly, making them lose lots of weight. They can fly up to 3,000 meters in the air, but not as graceful as their asinine cousins. They used to be called Sagittarius, which means archer in Greek. Their head feathers look like arrows in their quiver. Their main source of food is mostly venomous snakes, which they use their legs all day to kick them with deadly accuracy. Once they find the snake, they'll go for the head. They can kick at 20 horses, which is 5 times more than their body weight. When hunting, they'll shake their tail feathers and wings to keep their attention away from their legs. Their contact with the snake is only about 15 milliseconds, so if you blink, you'll miss it. If you like this video, then click that subscribe button.